Number 2. Jalila left her home at 10 to cycle to a park. On her way to the park, she stopped at a friend's house and then continued her journey to the park. Here's the distance time graph for her journey to the park. A. On her journey to the park, did Jalina cycle at a faster speed before or after she stopped at her friend's house? Give reason for your answer. This line represents the motion before and this line represents the motion after. Each line represents constant speed, and to find this constant speed, find the gradient of the line. The gradient of the line equals rise over run, or you can take 2 points, then y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So to find the speed before she stopped, rise over run, so 15 over 1, so 15 kilometers over 1 hour, so 15 kilometers per hour. Same to find the speed after she stopped, rise over run, rise from 15 to 24, so 9, and run 3 over 3 squares, so 3 over 4 hours, because 4 squares represent 1 hour, so 3 squares represent 3 over 4 hours. So after she stopped, the speed equals 9 over 3 over 4, 9 kilometers over 3 over 4 hours equals 12 kilometers per hour. So she cycled faster before she stopped. Or you can write that the line before she stopped is steeper than the line after she stopped. So this means the speed before is faster than the speed after. Moving on, Jalina stayed at the park for 45 minutes. She then cycled without stopping at a constant speed of 16 kilometers per hour from the park back to her home. Show all this information on the distance time graph. So she stayed at the park for 45 minutes. 45 minutes, this means 3 small squares, because each small square represents 15 minutes. So draw horizontal line with length 3 small squares. This represents that she stayed 45 minutes at the park. Now she cycled without stopping at a constant speed 16 kilometers per hour from the park back to the home. So to find the time, we have the speed and we have the distance, 24 kilometers. So now to find the time for coming back, divide the distance, 24 kilometers, by the speed, which is 16 kilometers per hour, equals 1.5 hours. Now she started coming back journey at this time. Which is 12:45, and from this time she took 1 hour 30 minutes, 1.5 hours to reach the home. So 6 small squares, so 14, 15. Now join this point with that one. Now the information shown in the distance time graph. C. Work out Jalina's average cycling speed in kilometers per hour for the complete journey to the park and back Do not include the time when she was not cycling in your calculation. Give your answer correct to one decimal place. Average speed, total distance over total time. For the total distance, she cycled 24 kilometers to the park and 24 kilometers for coming back. So 24 times 2, so 48. So the total distance, 48 kilometers. And for the total time, if you exclude the times she was not cycling, so for the first line, the time 1 hour, so 1 plus. For the second line, the time 45 minutes, so 3 over 4. And for coming back, 1.5 hours, so 1.5, so plus 1.5. Now divide the total distance by the total time, so equals 14.8 kilometers per hour to one decimal place.